kind of Fontaine pump lock from Paris in Transylvania. There's this weird janky tensioner I used to get into odd places. And I need a pokey. Poke. Poke, poke, poke. Poke, 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 poke. Poke. It's like 5 pins or slidey things or whatever in here. Poke, 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 poke. And a thing in the center that also has to be pressed down. Poking all those things. Poke, 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 poke. Just keep going around, poking the pokes. Okay, center thing. More poking. And there it is. I don't know how well you can see that, but the doodads rotated. Right, so I couldn't get the key in now. For example, if I wanted to. Right, this one's pretty easy. As long as you remember to poke the thing in the center and all that business. Cool looking key, and there it is.